students is just as important as knowledge of content. So if a teacher knows that you have a bunch of smart teachers in math, but they cannot teach it to you, that's not good. So you need to have a balance of knowledge of content and knowledge of the students. So I want to know about you. You can do That's Me, which is oral, and you can do a foldable. And if you search foldable, there's a site there, and I wish that I put the link on. I'm going to find it. Which is just already done for you. All you have to do is use it. So there's one that I found. Anyway, what this one is used for is what I want you to do for this is to ask me questions ahead of time. What do you want to do? Like, every time that you are wanting to learn something, you have this little hidden, not hidden agenda, but hidden questions that, oh, I wish that this would be answered today. I need to know about this, okay? So how you would do is you can either ask questions in each